Hello everyone. Today I'll start second chapter of class 11 maths, that is relations and functions. Now first of all let us start with ordered pair. What is ordered pair? Ordered pair. We'll start with ordered pair. The pair of elements grouped together in particular order is called ordered pair. The pair of elements arranged in or grouped in a particular order is called ordered pair. They are the elements of ordered pair are written in parentheses. So the arrangement of elements grouped together in a particular order is called ordered pair. The elements are to be written in parentheses. Elements are written in parentheses, like this, parentheses, and are separated by comma. They are separated by like this with comma. So how it is written? If, that means if A and B are elements, then they are written as elements of ordered pair. Basically, if A and B are elements of ordered pair, they are written as A, B, where A is the first element and B is the second element. Here AB is not equal to BA. Generally, AB is not equal to BA. The two ordered pair are, if two ordered pair are equal, then their corresponding first and second elements are also equal. If two ordered pair are equal, then their corresponding first and second elements are also equal. They are also equal. For example, if A1 B1 equal to A2 B2, that means this implies that A1 equal to A2 and B1 equal to B2. So these are two ordered pair. Here in this ordered pair, A1 B1 and A2 B2, if both of them are equal, then A1 equal to A2 and B1 equal to B2. Now, Cartesian product of two sets. Now, if P and Q are two sets, then the ordered pair PQ of PQ in such that P belongs to P, small p belongs to P, and small q belongs to Q are called Cartesian product. If P and Q, Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product? If P and Q are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs, which ordered pairs? PQ, where the small p belongs to capital P set and small q belongs to q set is called Cartesian product of P and Q, and is denoted by P cross Q, like this. So what is the Cartesian product? If P and Q are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs like PQ, where P belongs to small p belongs to capital Q, that is P element belong to P set, and Q small q belongs to this set Q, is called Cartesian product of P and Q, and it is denoted by P cross P. That means, therefore, P cross Q equal to Cartesian product of P and Q. It is told that Cartesian product of P and Q equal to PQ, such that small p belongs to P and small q belongs to Q. This is how it is to be denoted. Now, let us go to some standard product, that is R remarks. We'll write it remarks, like remarks. Now, standard product R cross R is always like it is written as XY, where you can write it XX, where X belongs to R. X is a real number. This X is a real number. So R cross R is always written as X Cartesian product. This X element that such that X belongs to R. Now, if you are taking 3 R cross R, then XYZ. XY belongs to R. If R cross R is the Cartesian product of real number with real number, that is X, Y is this is your ordered pair, such that XY both belongs to R. Now, if R cross R, the Cartesian product, this is called ordered triplet. How it is? The Cartesian product of R and R, it is written as X, Y, Z, such that X, Y, Z belongs to R. All of them belong. This is called your ordered. It is called ordered triplet. What is ordered triplet? Since there are 3 elements X, Y, and Z, all belonging to R, so they are called ordered triplet. Now, generally, A cross phi is equal to phi. Cartesian product of A set with phi is always phi. That is, now, fourth is A Cartesian product of A and B is not equal to Cartesian product of B or B. This is in general till A and B are equal. But if A Cartesian product of B equal to A C. Now, Cartesian product of A and B equal to Cartesian product of A and C, then B equal to C. Here, the Cartesian product of A and B equal to Cartesian product of A and C. In this case, B is equal to set B is equal to set C. Next is, if A cross A equal to phi and B equal to phi, therefore A cross B equal to phi. That is, if A set is equal to phi and B set, or any one of them, or B set equal to phi, therefore the Cartesian product of A and B is phi only. Now, next let us go to, if A and B are finite sets, therefore if A and B are finite sets, therefore PA cross B equal to PA cross, that will be NA, number of this NA cross NB. If A and B are two finite sets, therefore Cartesian product of number of elements in A and B, Cartesian product of A and B equal to number of elements in A cross number of the element in B, where A cross B is not equal to PQ, where NA equal to P and NB equal to Q. Now I will go for if A and B, if either A or B are infinite, then if one of them is infinite, then therefore a Cartesian product of A and B is also infinite. So if any one of the set A or B is infinite, then the Cartesian product is also infinite. Now if A equal to B, if set A equal to set B, therefore A cross B, the Cartesian product of A and B is A square. Now distributive property, A cross B union C equal to, this is A cross B union A cross C, that is Cartesian product of A with B union C equal to Cartesian product of A and B union Cartesian product of A and C. Similarly, Cartesian product of A with B intersection C equal to Cartesian product of A and B intersection Cartesian product of A and C.